We're going to be making a dump blueberry cake or cobbler, however you want to say it. Actually, I'm using a yellow cake mix, blueberry pie filling, and some blueberries here in my bowl. There's blueberries, and if I said blackberry, I meant blueberry. Okay, I forgot to turn the camera back on when I dumped the blueberries in there, the fresh blueberries, and dumped the first cake mix on it. So what we done, we added the pie filling, the fresh blueberries, and then we added the cake mix. And we're gonna add about another half package of cake mix. Now let's take and spread this on out. I guess one was a classic yellow mix, and the other one was a buttery recipe yellow. But it turns out really good. Next step, we're going to take butter. And we're going to place these butter chunks all over in here. All over and around. Now I'm using one stick of butter. Just kind of cut them into little squares and set them all about. I hope there. Kind of get them out here where they're kind of uniform. Okay, that's done. And now we're going to set our lid on top, and we're starting the charcoal now and getting it ready. Okay, the coals are turning white. We're going to set them in the pan, and this is just kind of a safety precaution and to keep them off the drive and the carport. I get a aluminum pan and set a few coals in the bottom of it, kind of really to make it go around the outer edge, and then a couple in the middle or so. And then I set the Dutch oven on top of it, and this will be for the bottom of it, and then we'll line the top of the lid of the Dutch oven with coals also. Okay, we put some coals down in the bottom of the pan. Now we're going to set our Dutch oven right here on it. And then we're going to take and line the pan or the lid with some more coals. Now, it'll be easier to take and dump these out up here. To the side. And we'll need some more, I'm sure. But we're just going to line them around the edges. Put a couple towards the center. Now, I'm looking pretty good. Now that'll be done, I'm gonna guess close to an hour. 45 minutes to an hour, so I'm gonna set my timer. And we'll come back and check it in a little bit. I want to rotate the oven and the lid so it will try to cook as evenly as possible. Okay, we're firing up the grill here. I've got a tinfoil pouch with some smoker pellets in it to put a little smoke flavor into these hamburger patties. Okay, we got our burgers on the grill. We got salt, pepper, garlic, SPG on them. We usually just use salt and pepper. Grill these up, and while we're waiting on the cobbler, this gives us kind of a pastime while we're waiting on the cobbler to finish up. Oh, that cobbler's going to be good. Okay, I heard our timer going off. It's been about 15 minutes there, and let's check on that cobbler and see what it looks like. Oh, look at that, look at that. Looking good. Now I'm going to rotate this here that way, about a quarter turn. Then I'm going to lift this up and turn it this way, a quarter turn. Now, let it continue to cook a little longer, and we'll check it in another 15 minutes. Let's check these burgers. Ah, yeah. Look at that. A little bit of smoke coming from there. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. There's that. Yeah. That up a little bit. These. Wife's making potato salad. Now we'll let that cook a little bit. And then I think they will be ready. That one looks good. Put it right there. That's going to be good there. Yeah. That's good. There. Everything's still looking good there. Like about, I believe about 2 minutes before it's ready to turn again. Okay, we kind of jumped ahead here a little bit. It's been about an hour for this cobbler. I believe she's ready. This cobbler turned out really well. Tasted great. Sorry about the blurring. Had it on automatic focus. And you don't realize it until after you view the videos. So anyways, this is a new camera I'm still trying to get used to. Please subscribe and hit that bell for future notifications. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and you're more than welcome to leave a comment. I would like to thank each and every one for watching. Thank you.